All right, everyone, this is Mike with the watch list video, which I think I said the wrong date for Monday. Anyway, Tuesday, June 3rd. The SPY is kind of a little cup and handle here over the last couple of weeks, 2.5 weeks. Held up pretty well today. Overall, I had a boring day. I think I took 2 trades. They were both green, and my best one was RRGB. We had it on watch because of this big pop on Monday, and Sahil gave the idea through 550, right where my cursor is, knowing that the earlier high of day was 555 and Friday's high 571. So we call that stacked catalysts, right? Plus a half number inflection point, and got a nice move to 625. It was a good trade for me, but you know, not compared to some of the trades I post in these videos. All right. Anyway, still had a decent day, kind of boring. Let me turn that down. All right. So what are we watching? Oh, let me put this up real quick. This is just my reminder that we're day traders, but we start with the daily charts, so we're focused on stocks that are in play, but all my trades are based on intraday setups. All right, I do that every video. I know it gets old. What are we watching for Tuesday? I like this chart a lot. TNGX had big volume back here. Now it's curling back up. I really like it over this area where my line is. It topped out at 3 back here. I like that setup a lot. TSSI, also interesting, had this pop Friday, and well, I want to say an inside day today, but right at the end of the day, it broke that high. Anyway, it's holding up really nicely. NPWR, kind of a sleeper pick, but getting good volume lately. Lemonade, LMND, little mini breakout of a range here, decent volume. RGNX, also a little bit of extra volume and trying to break out over that 1050 area. It actually went to 11 today, but that's an interesting chart. Kind of a low volume though. TBPH, another low volume. That looks like a big volume spike, right? But it's still only a little over 1.5 million. But it did kind of break out today, so that could have a follow through day. MODV closed way off its highs, but had massive volume. I'm a day trader, so I want to watch it. UMAC, big volume, but closed about where it opened. I don't like it as much, but it goes on the list. APLD. Massive volume and a pretty damn strong close. Could have a follow-through day. UAVS, drone plays, we're kind of on watch. And there's a nice breakout there. Certainly could have a follow-through day tomorrow. What else? Kids. I don't know if this is still going to be on watch. Now, closed too far off its highs. I'm going to take it off. Sometimes I start making my list well before the closing bell, and then by the time I look at them making these videos, they don't look so good. RITR. Also decent volume and a pretty strong close. Also kind of thin. IONQ, nice little hammer there. And it's one of the strongest stock around not that long ago. So if the quantum plays get going, I definitely want to watch that one. Where am I? QUBT, I just want to throw another quantum play on there. It bounced today. Joby goes back on bounce watch, JOBY. And NAK, in a nice looking chart anyway, but in after hours, I'm talking to you, it's trading at 153, something to do with Alaska news and Trump and drilling. So anyway, that's it. We'll see you guys in chat in the pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to this list. Have a great night.